Welcome, I'm filming a CAT S52 and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. This process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know the pattern to. So to get started, I'm going to lock the device and you can see that I have a pattern and I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, we need to power off the device by holding power key and selecting power off. And once the device shuts off, then we want to hold power key and volume up. So we should now be in boot mode, and in here using only volume up to navigate. As you can see, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then confirm it with volume down. And as you can see, we're now in recovery mode. So in here we can use both of the volume keys to navigate now. As you can see, volume down goes down, up goes up, and you want to select wipe data factory reset as it is selected for me right now, and confirm it with power key. Select yes, again power key, and we'll begin the process. You can see at the bottom, formatting data, data wipe complete, and reboot system now is selected by default. So all you need to do now is press power key once more to reboot the device. And the process will continue in the background, so it will take a little bit longer for it to turn back on, but once the process is finished, you should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.